E9 error on Hisense Dehumidifier causes and solution. So, for the reasons on why this can happen or the common causes is a faulty humidity sensor. So the sensor that detects the room's humidity may be malfunctioning, so dust, debris, or moisture damage can cause it to fail. There could be connection issues like loose wiring, like internal wirings. Connecting the sensor to the control board may be loose or disconnected, since vibrations or previous maintenance can sometimes loosen these connectors. Next is a control board problem. So the main PCB or printed circuit board could be faulty, which is rare but can happen due to power surges or component failures. And finally, extreme environmental conditions. So operating the humidifier in temperatures or humidity levels outside its range can trigger errors, usually below -5 degrees Celsius or above 35 degrees Celsius, or humidities near 95 or 100%. So your first solution is to just power cycle the unit. So whatever you're plugging this into, just go ahead and plug it out and wait for a few seconds, maybe like 10 to 15 seconds, then replug it in. So once you do that, you can see if the error still clears. If not, you're gonna have to check the sensors or the humidity sensor, usually near the air intake on the top or here. So you can gently wipe it or clean with a dry, soft cloth, or make sure there's no water, dust, or debris blocking it. The other solutions has to be checking internal connections. So if you're comfortable with opening the unit, you can turn off the power first and unplug the device. Check the sensor wiring and connectors, so make sure they are securely attached. And you should only attempt this if you're experienced with electronics to lessen the risk. The other is to reset the dehumidifier. So some Hisense models have a reset button. So you can check the manual for your model and how to reset it. But usually it's pressing and holding 3 to 5 seconds to reset the control board for the reset button. And if not, you can try replacing the sensor if that's a problem. So if you're sure that's a problem, you can purchase the exact model sensor from Hisense parts or authorized dealers. And it's always much better to have a professional electrician to make it fix or get it replaced to avoid any further damage. So if cleaning and reconnecting doesn't work, that could mean your sensor may need a replacement. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.